Alright, let's look at the homework 7.4, 7.5, problem number 2. Alright, so let's find first partials of this function. Alright, so a partial of g with respect to x would be, right, so it's exponential function, so we just have to put e to the x minus y, right? But we need to multiply by derivative of the inside function, right? So 1 over y is just a constant, so derivative of x over y would be just 1 over y, so it's a 1 over y, right? So you can probably write it as e to the x over y, right? Partial of g with respect to y would be, right, so you just put the same thing, e to the x over y, but it's going to be a partial of the inside function with respect to y. So that would be, let's see, so if you don't like x over y, so we are taking the partial with respect to y, right? So you can write it as partial with respect to y, so x times y to the negative 1, right? So x is just a number, so we can just put it in front, right? So we have x, and a derivative of y to the negative 1 is put the negative sign in front, y, subtract 1 from the power. So this is just a power rule, right? Which is negative x over y squared, right? So you just have to put negative x over y squared. So this is negative x e to the x over y squared. Right, so let's type it in. Right, so what we got was e to the x over y, and oops, and here we got negative e to the actually we need to probably right, so maybe I'll put the negative fraction x e to the x over y squared, right? So let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got these guys correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.